Hello everybody, this is Andre with GarageDoorGuidance.com. Got another video for you today. Today it's about the Smart Garage Hub from Chamberlain. And essentially what it does is you're able to download an app and open and close your garage door remotely from your phone, which is awesome. You know, people forget that if they left it open or if they hadn't closed it, so you could actually pull out the app, click the button, closes, you're good to go, and it tells you actually how long it's been closed or open, so that's also pretty nice. We just picked it up off of Amazon for about $100. We'll put that link in there for you below if you'd like. But I mean, some people are skeptic, you know, you figure you might as well just buy a whole new one at that point, which, you know, if you got an older one, that's definitely what you want to do. We'll actually add a link to the Wi-Fi openers they have on Amazon. There's something like, I believe, $250 or so. You know, Home Depot, Lowe's got them. You can check those out as well. But yeah, we'll put both the links in the description there. But this is good for, especially, you know, say you bought one 2 years ago. It's, you know, it's not an old opener. And you want the Wi-Fi, so why are you going to spend another, you know, $300, $400 when you just buy this guy and you've got it working? So that's definitely one way to look at it. But obviously, if your motor's a little noisy or, you know, getting loud, old, that's definitely, you know, you might want to just consider buying a whole new one at that point. It doesn't cost you too much, so it's not too bad. If you buy it from Amazon for that $250. You could get an install for about $100, $150, depending on, you know, the company you go with. So it still saves you, you know, $50 to $100 rather than just going through a company itself, because they will charge you a little more than that to get a Wi-Fi opener. Anyhow, back to this. So I mean, what it came with, you got some safety stickers here. The mount for the garage door, the little remote part of it, and then obviously you've got your hub, which I'll show you here. Got the hub and little owner's manuals here. Like I said, I've already got it all set up. You can see here my garage door. Let's see if it'll focus. Closed for 2 minutes. I don't know how well you guys can see that. I'm sorry. It doesn't usually want to focus very well. Oh, there you go. That's pretty good. But yeah, closed for 2 minutes. Definitely, it lets you know it's closed. Definitely pretty nice. I'll tell you, this whole process took me something like 10 minutes. I mean, I'm sure somebody could pull it off in 5 if they really tried, but I was just kind of taking my time. Wasn't in too much of a rush. This is the hub here. You see the little green light. Just means we're connected and we're good to go. Little LED light in here. Basically what that does is it actually flashes when you do close it. That way, if anybody is in the way while you're, you know, out, it'll actually warn them. It beeps as well. You know, I'll do a demonstration. You'll get, you know, the whole 9 on that. I just plugged it back here into the washer just because, you know, I'm just doing this for the video. And that's that. This is, like I said, they got the hub, little owner's manuals. Just little mounting brackets, mounting screws, the safety sticker, and then also we've got the little sensor for the garage. This is how your garages, you know, they communicate between one another, telling them when it's closed, when it's open. So that's that. Let's go over the process it takes. I just want to show you, essentially, if you got an iPhone, an Apple device, this is what you're going to use, the other piece of paper. You follow the directions on that. Basically, you connect the hub here to your Wi-Fi first. You go in there, you activate it, and then from there you download the app, which I've got opened up here, and you connect your hub to the app, and that's pretty much it. So it's pretty cool. So basically, check it out. We're gonna go over here just to get a nicer view of it. Yep, hang on. So you got a little sensor there. So I'm just gonna tap. Open. Pretty cool. So that's opening there. We're gonna go in here. So this is what I was talking about. It's gonna beep and you get this guy flashing saying, hey, I'm getting ready to close. And so like I said, go back in here, You could do the close. I just want to show you real quick actually. So open for 15, 16, 17 seconds is great. Tells you everything. So that's perfect. That's exactly what I needed. So I'll just tap it again, hit open, get the beeping and flashing, and that'll be it. And there you go, and she's closing. And so you can still hear the beeping back there. A little bit annoying, but I mean, it'll do. You know, it's very useful. You know, people got, you know, say the, you know, dog or even cat. Hopefully that'll even scare them off to run away from underneath it. But, you know, you got family or friends over and they're in the way. That'll tell them, hey, I'm closing down, get out of the way. So that's definitely a nice thing to have. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. We'll link this in the description there. You can go ahead and purchase this, the hub. Like I said, it's on Amazon. Very easy, get in a couple days, and you know, you'll get your phone working this thing in no time. Yeah, I hope you liked the video. That's all we've got for you today. If you got any video requests, feel free to leave it in the comments. We'll try to get on it and you know, get a video up for you as soon as we can. Otherwise, I believe that's kind of it. We'll put a link into our website where we've got a bunch of parts that you can order, including the hub here. Leave a comment and thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and you can subscribe to see no content when it's posted. And thanks for watching. Have a good day.